Hey guys, this is Charlene. Hey, wanted to record a quick video about how you can earn $100 per day using the $25 one-up system. So I'm going to show you a little bit about some of the strategy, how you can earn your first $100 within 2 to 3 days of starting this program. And so I'll just show you step by step some of the strategies that me and my team uses. But before I do that, I just want to introduce myself. I live in Wisconsin with my family, my husband and my 2 daughters. And before digital marketing, had a background in traditional business. So I've been my own boss for a very, very long time. And in 2008, that business, due to the downfall of the economy, went bad. And in 2008, I found myself back in corporate America again. And it's something that, once you're your own boss and you have your own schedule and your own freedom, it's very difficult to go back to work for someone again. And I stumbled across digital marketing about a year and a half or so ago, and struggled at the beginning like most people do, struggling to figure out how it works, what to do on a daily basis. I have now figured out how a lot of the pieces of the puzzle work, and want to assist you and teach you and hopefully shorten some of the learning curve that I had to go through. So a little bit about $25 one-up. First, I'm going to show you what the program has to offer and what you get. So let's see, I gotta share my screen here, I think. Yep. So first of all, what $25 one-up is, we post ads on social media sites, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, can even do Craigslist, different things like that. So you post ads. The really cool thing about the program is all of the ads are pre-written. So they're proven to convert quickly. And then you can attach a picture or a video to the particular ad to get more engagement. Once people respond to your ad, they're looking for more information, we send them a message, and basically they watch a 7-minute video, and from there, whoops, I lost my page, and from there, then they will sign up. Some will, some won't, and right from there you get paid. So let's talk about how we get paid. First of all, the program is 100% commission. So what that means is that when these folks get started, 100% of what they pay goes and gets paid directly to you, however you get that payment method set up in your back office. I choose to use either PayPal or Stripe. Some people will choose, to get cashier's checks and different things like that, Western Union, depending what country. So this is a global opportunity. I choose to promote in more of the English-speaking countries, just because the language barrier sometimes is a little bit challenging. So it's 100% commission. So when people decide to join, they can get started at the gold level, which is $25. And then at that point, you are able to earn unlimited $25 commissions over and over and over. Okay? You can choose to get started at the platinum level. That's $100. And again, when someone joins my team and they want to come in at platinum, they first join at gold, then they join at platinum, and it's $125 directly into my PayPal account. Okay? And then from there, we have coming out soon the diamond levels and the enterprise levels. And those should be opening very, very soon. So with those levels, what do you get? First of all, you will get your landing page that goes into your funnel. So and I'll show you some of those in a minute. So landing page, which captures the person's email address and some information about them, is one of the most important things when you are working online, is to capture and create an email list. And you do that through a landing page. So once you capture their email address, the system also has an autoresponder. 9 out of 10 people who watch your video are not going to sign up right away. They need to see the opportunity 2, 3, 4, 5 times, and the autoresponder will continue to send them messages after they've watched the video so they can get more information and it stays in front of them. The other thing that you get is training. Training in the back office about how to post, what to post, how to engage in Facebook groups. And I'll go through some of the training that you get with each level. And of course, at the gold level, there's minimal training. And once you come in at the platinum level, you get more training. And at each level, you get more and more tools to be able to grow your business. Okay, so let's go into the back office here. Oops. And just today, I've had 19 page views, 19 emails sent out, and I've had 50 new contacts. And I think that's in the last couple of days. So this is where you come in and you purchase those different levels. So let's look at the gold level. And the gold level, we talk about, you get those pre-written ads. In here, all of those ads are pre-written, and I'm not going to share those too much with you, but you'll have lists of ads that you can just go ahead and post. Then we also give you a Facebook group cheat sheet. So what that does is it has high converting Facebook groups, high engaging Facebook groups, and you want to join as many of those as you can. And I'm going to post an ad here in just a minute, but so you want to post in 10 to 15 groups in the morning, 10 to 15 groups at night, and you will get some engagement. And then you want to send them the information that we were just talking about. And that's how you will get your first sale within the first 3 to 4 days. So let's go then into the platinum level. Whoops. Let me finish up on the gold level here. So at the gold level, you'll have the pre-written ads, the ad copy cheat sheet, the Facebook groups, some tips on how to promote your business, and mindset training. Mindset training is very, very important because a lot of people are coming from a 9-to-5 job and need to keep a positive mindset and to be able to keep going and doing the do every single day. The key to this business is consistency and doing it every single day. So it's very important that you keep up your mindset. Let's go into the platinum level. So at the platinum level, you get everything that's in the gold, plus you'll get Facebook training, YouTube training, and Instagram training. YouTube training is powerful. People are really looking to connect with folks and really learn about them before they join your business. This has been very impactful for a lot of people. And if you don't like making videos, you're definitely going to want to start by doing a Facebook Live. Record a little video like this, post it on Facebook. The more you do it, though, you will get comfortable doing it. We also have a postcard area that is coming out very, very soon. So if you want to mail out postcards, you can certainly do that as well. And that will come with leads, mailing labels, and all of that information to mail those out. And that should be coming soon. Okay, so real quickly, we talked about the landing pages and how the funnel works. So we already have the pre-done funnels for you. A lot of people come to online and they don't have a funnel, they don't have a website, they don't have a landing page, and that's great because if you're new, we have everything already here for you. So this would be your landing page. Okay, the person would click on that, and let me show you. They would fill in their name, their email address, and their phone number. Okay, so that would be your landing page. And then after they go to the landing page and put in their information, then they go to the sales page, which shows them that 7-minute video presentation. Okay, let's see. And once they go through those 2 steps, then their email information gets put into your autoresponder, and those emails will automatically start sending out to that particular person. So those are your landing pages and your lead capture pages. And all of your contacts are found in your back office. So I can look to see who my contacts were as of today, their email address, and information about them. Okay, so here on Facebook, I'm going to show you, I only got a couple of minutes here. I'm going to go into groups. As you can see, I am a member of a lot of different groups. So again, you want to do maybe 10 to 12 of these a day. Don't do too many because you will get thrown in Facebook jail. So we recommend doing 10 in the morning and 10 at night. I would not do any more than that. So I'm going to pause this for a second. I'm going to get my pre-written ad to post here. Okay, so I copied my ad in there. One thing that's helpful is use a lot of emojis, pictures to really just break up the text. I like to add a picture. Let's just say I'm going to use this one because I already have it done. It's one that I've already posted and I've gotten some good feedback from this one. And you're just going to post it. And then when people ask you for information, then you're just going to get back with them and share with them the video. Okay? And that's really it. And people will get started quickly because it is a very, very simple system. One of the things when you join our team is we have a number of different free traffic methods on top of the Facebook groups because you want to diversify. You want to do a couple of different things. We also teach you how to do some very inexpensive, if you want to do some paid traffic where you can, spend like $5 a week. Or we can teach you how to do Facebook ads. You can do those relatively inexpensive. But a lot of us in our group, we are teaching and doing free traffic methods. Everybody likes free, and once you get a couple of sales under your belt, then we can start to work on the paid traffic and help you scale up. So that's how you can go ahead and earn yourself $100 per day and get your first sale within the first 2 to 3 days. So subscribe to my channel, hit the little notification bell. You'll get a notification every time I post a new video. And I look forward to speaking with you. All the information below to get more information about this program is also listed below. Click on my link, connect with me on Facebook, and I hope you have yourself a great night.